Welcome to Louisville. My name is Bruce Wyatt. I'm a territory manager with MacDon. Appreciate you stopping by and checking out our products. Thank you. Today I want to highlight some features that we have on the MacDon Corn Head and what's new this year, most importantly. What's new is we have an 8-row 38-inch configuration. That's new to the market. That's going to fit into certain operations. We also have 6-row versions available, 8-row as I mentioned, 12-row versions. We have 20-inch row spacing, 22-inch row spacing in certain sizes, and 30-inch row spacing in all sizes. We also have folding units. We have non-folding units. Some of the key features would be our OctiRoll. It has 8 contact points on our snapping rolls, 8 contact points with the stalk of the corn, to give it some excellent crimping, some excellent cutting, some excellent sizing. So if those items are important to you, we would certainly appreciate you checking out the MacDon Corn Head. We also have some ribbed strength features into our snouts and poly dividers. The ribs give it extra strength. It also decreases the amount of friction that's on the corn stalk if you're harvesting down corn. That's going to make it easier for you to pick up difficult conditions. Ease of maintenance is another great plus with the MacDon Corn Head. It's also extremely easy to clean out, which is important to customers who have different varieties, white corn versus yellow corn, GMO corn versus non-GMO. Get you in the field quick and whenever you're changing from one type of crop, one type of corn to the other. So we appreciate you stopping by, and thanks again.